Look, his head's doing a lot better. If I can zoom in. Hey, your head's doing a lot better there, mate. I know, you're a bit scared. Don't let all the other magpies steal all your food, Floyd. What are you doing, Boris? Hey, you want some food too, Boris? Yeah. Where you run off to, you cheeky little bugger? Stop hiding out. What are we going to call you? You look like a George, but I think we've had a George. I have to ask the kids what your name is, eh? Maybe the grandkids can tell me. But to me, I think you're George. I'm going in. Have a great day.